everyone, today I will show you one beautiful portrait with colors pencils. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Dome Super Soft pencils with 12 colors and 200 GSM paper I have used for this drawing. First of all, grab a black pencil and draw the outline and give a bold impression just like this. Then take a brown pencil and start to shade the eyeball of the eye. I will explain all step by step, so don't skip the video. Then take a blue pencil and layer it on. Just like this. Slowly layer it on. Again, give a layer of brown pencil. Use a white pencil to blend the colors. Now take a blue pencil again and give one more layer on it. Now grab a black pencil and give a very thin layer on the upper surface. Now use a white pencil to blend the colors. Now use the white pencil to give a shade on the white portion of the eye and give a very first layer. Next, go for the second layer and third. Now take a pink pencil and give one layer of it. Now grab a red pencil and highlight the areas as required, and you must have a knowledge of eye anatomy so that you can shade it well. Now take a white pencil and try to give one more layer on above these layers. Use little bit of light blue color. Now take a brown pencil and give a very thin layer to the corner side of the eye line and as per the reference. Again, with a white pencil, try to blend all the colors. Now grab a brown pencil and start giving a thin layer on the eyelid. Also give the second layer with the same pencil. Now get a blue pencil and give a layer on it. Next, select a black pencil and give a thin layer of the same. Now for the lower portion of the eye, select a brown pencil and go for a thin layer all over. Repeat the same with a blue pencil. Again, select a brown pencil and go for the next layer on it. Now for the lower portion of the eye, select a pink pencil and give a thin layer all over. Now take the orange pencil and give the very next layer. Again, repeat the same with the pink pencil as done before. Now select the brown pencil and cover the area with a very thin layer just like this at the required portion as per the reference. Now give a cover layer with white pencil all over the area. Blend it well with light pressure. Now for the upper portion of the eye, we will do the same as we have done before. First, we select a pink pencil and give a full layer on it. Next, take the orange one and give a full layer on the pink layer. Next, with brown pencil, give the shade as per the reference picture. Now we need one thin layer of white color. Now again, give a very light layer of pink color all over. Now by white pencil, we must try to smooth out all over the layers. Now with brown pencil, opt the correct dark shade where needed. Now take the black pencil and give eyelashes as per the reference picture. We need to be very perfect this time as we cannot erase it. If we try to erase, the whole drawing will be affected. Now I take whitener and try to give some dots, small or big. I don't have white gel pen, so I'm using whitener. If you do have that, then you can use that too. Now take a brown pencil and reduce the whiteness of the dots to match the reference picture. So this is all about eye drawing realistically. If you want such videos, then subscribe my channel and select the bell icon and also press the all option so that you should get the notification about my videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Take care. Bye.